Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. This is a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I am not responsible for right now with what I decide to do at all. I'm going to give myself some paint and I'm going to try and use an edge catcher, but I'm a little on the gimpy side, so we'll see how that goes. Ouch. Note to self, do not hold the canvas like that. I'm going to let all of that paint go down to the bottom, run down the edge. I'm going to rock it gently. I'm going to shimmy it back up a little bit before I remove that edge catcher, and I'm going to let it keep flowing toward you. I'm even tempted to put a bottle under there. Ha 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 ha! Yes, I am. Let's just be completely whack. I think so. Oh no, we don't want you in there. Bye-bye. Hopefully you can see most of that. I'm having too much fun here. I think I see something in there that does not belong. Goodbye, thing. Okay. I'm going to just bring this over to the edge. And that. And I think the same is going to go on over here, because we haven't still got to the other side yet. This is just supposed to be my background, so we'll see what happens. But most of that is not something I'm supposed to be spreading with my fingers, but oh well, never mind. Oh, got it. Almost. I dropped my bottle, but it's not going anywhere. Alright, so let's put the edge catcher back. Probably none of this is going to turn out to look anything like I or you even imagine it. But I'm just going to let those pools of paint continue on as long as they want to. And then I'm going to throw them back in. I'll rest that on the edge catcher. I'm going to have a look at what I've got and decide to add some more black paint right there. Some more white paint next to it. Ooh, that hurts. Oh, I'm so stubborn. Alright. Go away. Things in my way, please. Alright, I got a lot of paint on this end. It's all going right there. And then my shirt is going to volunteer to be my paint rag again. Now this is getting a little on the slippery side. So I'm letting the paint that I just flowed flow back again. I'm not trying to fill anything sideways, and I think when I get to those gaps that you might see, and I see them, I'm going to take my silicone spatula and make a point of cleaning off the edge catcher. Oh, I see I've got spots all kinds of places. I don't want that to go any further in that direction. And this is a sort of a tedious thing. This is sort of like making ring pours do stuff, especially since this may not be the end result. But you never know, I could change my mind. And I definitely want to use the paint that I see that's coming off on the edge catcher to put into the artwork. And I'm going to just use the edge of my camera mount stand and put that paint up there. Put that paint in there. I had some over here. This is truly accidental art. gonna fill in that space. Fill in this space. This was never really meant to be the whole point anyway, but it's so cool at this point that I don't care. I'm just having too much fun, basically. I think you could too. You just got to trust your process. You got to stop worrying about what happens and have fun playing with your processes. I have all kinds of paint on here coming off the edge. I'm going to take off of my spatula, and I see that I've got a spot that's missing here. Go in there and there. I guess my finger will work very well. I'm not left-handed, but I'm trying to be left-handed. Just not very good at it. Not as good as I thought it was going to be anyway. I thought I was kind of ambidextrous. I was so wrong. Alright, so that's kind of cool, and all I want to do is wipe this off, but I think if I wipe that off immediately, I will find something that needs it. And that something is probably right here on this far edge that I will pull over to my canvas and wipe off from my spatula. No paint wasted. My happy place is no paint wasted. Actually, my happy place is just painting. That is going to go into the bucket, and the ones that came out of the bucket that are clean and hopefully, knock wood, paint free, although I did just wipe one off on my shirt, are right here. So my temptation is what? My temptation is to go ahead and see what can be done. And I really want to use chain. I really do. Black and white will often sell. The truth is that I have dishes of color that I want to use. And I'm still busy playing with these colors and tipping them over. We got some really neat cells. There's no silicone in my artwork, by the way, in my paints at all. I'm very tempted to just go ahead right now and drag anything that I feel like dragging. Wherever I feel like dragging it. Because I can. Hey, that's the name of my first book that you can find on the Amazon link below. Show more. I'm twisting this basting brush sideways because I can. The second one's supposed to be out for Christmas. I got some curves, so I think I need some curves. I'm a lot nervous about doing this, evidently. Plus I'm doing it with my gimpy hand. Wrist, whatever. All those days I said, twist of the wrist with balloon roll. It was like a premonition coming to pass. So I'm liking all of that. Because it's fun. I am having fun too. Just giving myself ultimate permission to pull paint. And I haven't used those colors I said I was here to use yet.
I'll be back.
Somebody's making a store run. I like the crossovers. I like that the black is hiding in the background and I can dredge it up with my basting brush. And I haven't used any, oh, I don't know. I'm thinking to heck with the colors. I can always add colors another time. I can do this again. Maybe not exactly this. I got to be careful because I think the thing I like the most about this is the negative space. It's singing to me. I love it. Alright, I think it's just time to use a torch and to say that some things just need to stay black and white. Ooh, I could put spatters in there and I'd be really happy. I don't think I'm going to get much unless I pull some more paint. Yep, cool. Some random element, just to make it a little bit, just to change it, just a little bit. I think I'm about done with that. I could add gold and be pretty happy, I gotta say. Alright, so that basting brush is going in the bucket. No matter how many times I threaten colors, I'm not doing it. I've got a couple more blobs down here I want to change. And I'm pretty happy. Am I as happy as I need to be? That's the question. Oh, I like that. I like that black wavy thing I just pulled. It was awesome, actually. So let's do it again. I like adding the dimension. These are dimensional to me. And depending on the pressure you put on your basting brush, you'll dredge up more or less paint. All right, let's see what happens. Oh boy, here we go. All right, so the torch is used to pop cells, and it works with the Floetrol and Decor pouring medium GAC 800 mix. That's my recipe. The GAC 800 is in there so I can leave my paint heavy. But it also takes away the chance of bubbles forming in the paint from the air that might be caught in the paint when you shake it up. And even if you don't pop bubbles, if they pop themselves, they might leave a little crater, a little pockmark you don't want. So I got all kinds of funky cells and marks and trails, and I'm really glad I have another 16 by 20 inch canvas out here because I'm going to have to use my colors that I have left over from an earlier attempted painting. So not bad for half of it being left-handed, more or less. I'd like to think I'm getting stronger. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, an Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, I know you've heard this all before, but could I please have a thumbs up? And if you want to help me out, watch the videos longer, check out my channel for playlists. 1 through 8 I have 100, and 9 is being populated. And also videos by genre. So if you like my work, you're going to find a lot of it by finding my face and clicking my avatar, and that'll bring you to my channel. So what else is on my list? Under the video you're going to find Instagram and Pinterest and Twitter links, and products on Facebook pages at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes, and more that'll lead you to Fine Art America and Pixels.com. Yes, I did, and I like it. And not a spiral in sight yet. No, I'll resist. Maybe. Yeah, I'll resist, but I needed that one. There's still waggles. I love them. So there's Teespring under the video. Those are my clothes, and there's all over print t-shirts, and there are leggings that are awesome. If you ever have a question about anything, including a request for a link, please just ask me and I'll give it to you. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation is for students on Facebook, and for collectors on Facebook is Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors. There's a drawing on the end screens of every video that's included. The prizes are shown on the exhibition video. So if you're interested in donating $10 or more to help support the studio, thank you to everybody who's helped support the studio in the past. I really appreciate your help. You've kept me painting. And what am I supposed to say? I do sell my artwork. my email address is directly below the video. I want to spiral that out. Just one, right? No, I'll get rid of it. I needed to get rid of it. No spirals in this. So I think I said this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard signing off. But if I didn't, oh, please share my videos. Please, please, please share my videos. It helps me a lot. And the longer you watch a video, the more likely YouTube is to give me good placement. Out of my 84,000 subscribers, thank you very much, by the way, only 1% is ever watching because I don't know why. Something about the algorithm not putting me places. Oh, and that's really important. Check your notifications that they're turned on. And even if your notifications are turned on and you rang the bell, check that your notifications at YouTube are turned on. Because that's two separate things according to what I just read last night. And I love you guys. Thanks for listening to me. Thanks for watching longer. Thanks for binge watching. Thanks for all the love. Thank you. And I appreciate so much the wonderful comments you leave me. Keep my morale going on. Keeping together. I don't know what this is. Somebody needs to come up with a title for this. It reminds me of space for some reason. I have no idea why. Alright, we'll see you guys anon. Priscilla out.